Welcome to labpedia.net. Today I am going to talk about reticulocyte count. Now the blood sample, the best is EDTA blood. Now what are the indications for reticulocyte count? It differentiates anemia caused by bone marrow failure or from hemorrhage or hemolysis. Reticulocyte count can be done to check the effectiveness of treatment of pernicious anemia, folate and iron deficiency. It is a device to assess the recovery of bone marrow function in aplastic anemia. And reticulocyte count should be done in routine for the workers who are exposed to radioactive material. Now, reticulocytes are young, immature, non-nucleated red blood cell. Reticulocyte contain the reticular material, which is basically RNA, and it stains gray, blue. Now, whenever there is anemia, it will stimulate erythropoietin production. And if there is a hemorrhage, after 6 hours, again erythropoietin is produced, and erythropoietin stimulates bone marrow, and it gives rise to increased production of reticulocyte count. And increased reticulocyte count will be seen after 2 to 3 days. Peak level is 6 to 10 days. Now, reticulocyte count will remain raised until the hemoglobin become normal. Now, reticulocyte count determines bone marrow function and it evaluates erythrocytic activity. We can classify anemia and diagnose can be made with the help of reticulocyte count. If the reticulocyte count is more than 3%, it indicates hemolytic anemia. If the count is less than 2%, will be seen in hypoproliferative disorders, maturation abnormality like microcytic or macrocytic anemia. Now, what are the methods you can use to find the reticulocyte count? There are two stains which are in routine used. One is the new methylene blue stain and other is the cressyl blue. Now, I have given all the detail on labpedia.net. What are the ingredient of the new methylene blue stain and the procedure, how to do stain of the peripheral blood smear. So after, if you go through our website labpedia.net, you will find all these details. Then we count the number of reticulocytes per 1,000 red blood cell, or at least you should count 500 red blood cell, and out of those 500 red blood cells, you have to find what number of the reticulocyte was present. So in this way you will get percent reticulocyte count, which is reticulocyte count multiplied by 100 divided by 1000 RBCs if you have counted. Then other parameters are absolute reticulocyte count, corrected reticulocyte count. Now, corrected reticulocyte count, these are important because if there is a stress to the bone marrow, then premature reticulocyte enter into the blood and they remain in the blood more than the normal reticulocyte. Now, normal level of reticulocyte in the adult is 0.5 to 1.5%. Newborn is 3 to 6%. Increased reticulocyte is seen in hemolytic anemias, post-hemorrhage, and after treatment of anemia. While the decreased reticulocyte values are seen in aplastic anemia, anemia of chronic diseases, untreated iron deficiency, and pernicious anemia, radiotherapy, bone marrow infiltration, myelodysplastic syndrome, alcoholism, adrenocortical hypofunction, anti-pituitary hypofunction, and chronic diseases. Thank you for listening to me, and you can go to our website labpedia.net, and there you can find all the details about reticulocyte count. Once again, thank you.